What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. In the last video, we discussed about gold, euro, USD, GBP, USD, and DXY. When this week, we pretty much got a very much expected reaction, right? However, the move on gold on Friday was very much confusing because DXY pumped, and also gold, at the other hand, also closed bullish, which really questions which of these pair is trying to lie, because if you look at pound dollar, it's closed bearish. Euro dollar, it's closed almost inside the range, still weak. So let's figure out which pair is most likely trying to lie over here, and what can we expect in this particular week. All right, so let's begin our analysis with GBPUSD. So now let's drop to weekly time frame. Right here, this is the demand where we were supposed to react from, but we clearly look very bearish right now, as at least as of now. If I drop down to daily time frame, I discussed that this particular trend line or whatever on a 4-hour time frame looks very weak and could potentially be taken out very easily. It does not essentially have a very strong base, right? So price has easily taken almost all of it out. Now on Monday, you could possibly expect a manipulation of the Friday's low, and then a continuation higher, maybe to the supply zone, and then again continue with the bearish price action. So you could look for longs from for Monday and Tuesday maybe, and then after that just wait for premium price levels to tap into this particular supply zone right here, and then you could continue to look for short opportunities. So that's pretty much it on GBP USD. Let's drop on gold and see what's happening. So gold, pretty much this was our last range which we have created. Now whatever is happening, that's inside this range we have created lower highs and lower lows. So the last lower low that we created was right here, which makes this as our current range of the market, right? And we are trading at the discounted levels. So now let's drop down to daily time frame. Now on a daily time frame, what else do we have? So this in fact is just a pullback up and down right here, and maybe a pullback up and again down. So this is potentially a new lower high that is setting in the market. However, the conditions that we have made, if you look at this particular high, these highs right here, and this high, and the high that we created on Friday. Now Friday moves, I just don't trust Friday moves, even if it's bearish, bullish, whatever. I don't consider Friday as a trading day, in fact. So this entire bullish move could easily be taken out. By what do I mean by that is, you could see a pullback, and I might look for long opportunities, because we have created good buy side liquidity, right? This is a very nice resistance trap for buyers to be introduced, and sellers to be activated around this level. And you could see price to continue up to 1936 or 1940, 45 odd levels, and then you will definitely see a continuation again below. So my bias still remains the same. 1885 will be taken out, and we can expect bullish reactions maybe around Monday, Tuesday. After that, I would like to wait for short opportunities from 1935 to 45 odd levels. So I would be pretty much excited for that. Last shot that I gave was at 1950, 51 odd levels, and the top itself is 1953, yeah, approximately. So we've got a very beautiful move, and now I'm expecting a continuation of the same thing. So gold is pretty much bearish. So look for short opportunities. Longs valid only if discounted price are given, and you could target 1932 to 3640 odd levels. Finally, we have Euro US dollar. So on a weekly time frame, we are creating this trend line. If I can drop to daily time frame, right here we fail to close below this candle, right? So, and that is why on Friday we've got some sort of bullish reaction. Now again, very simple stuff. You could wait for premium price levels. This essentially happens to be the last range of the market. So all you have to do is wait for some very good premium price levels to short. Once price reaches this zone, all you have to do is wait for some bearish price action to set in, or whatever bearish confluence you use to enter the trade, and you could easily target the trend line level, which could be approximately 1.06 100 odd levels. So yeah, overall, all of this is aligning, and that is why I am still bearish on gold. The bullish move on Friday doesn't really have any strength in it, any commitment in it as such. Now finally we have DXY, and it's pretty much in line with our previous analysis. I expected, I clearly mentioned that I want price to make a base right over here, go sideways, and then we could expect price to break through this zone. And we are, I think, so far very good, because we've created base, then started to pump, and this is Friday again pretty much sideways. So you could expect this week again a little sideways price action and then continuation higher. So I think this week would be pretty interesting to watch. We also have FOMC. So yeah, make sure you guys are part of my Telegram and Twitter, because this week would be slightly wild. We will definitely see bullish and bearish moves, very huge moves. So yeah, I hope you found the video helpful. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, share it with your trader friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.